guys, what's going on? It's Kelly here, and I got my girl Nicole Spence with me.
What's up, guys?
We're here in Miami Beach, and we're gonna go ahead and prepare some of our favorite fish that I actually speared one of the fish 2 days ago, and the other fish I caught rod and reel down in Venice, Louisiana, which is actually where Nicole lives and works. She runs her bed and breakfast there in Venice, Louisiana. So today it was a little bit rough offshore to go fishing or diving, so we're in the kitchen. We're gonna prepare two meals that are my favorite to make with raw fish. So let's get started. All right, guys, so stay tuned and keep watching for two mouth-watering dishes. Shit, wait, that sucked. Take 4. All right, girl, you ready to do this thing?
I'm ready.
All right.
You ready?
Cheers. Oh yeah. All right, guys, so here's the AP that we have here. And so what you do first thing is you take a filet of AP, and Judah actually did this last night for us, so thank you so much. Shout out to Judah. And so you slice it really thin, and then you take that thin slice and you roll it up really tight. You take saran wrap and make it into like this little like sausage right here. And then you throw it in the freezer, and that way whenever you want it, you just pop it out of the freezer, let it defrost for like 10 minutes maybe. You still want it a little frozen when you slice it. That way the fish stays together. And it's honestly a lot easier to slice up fish that is slightly frozen. That way it's just not kind of like a sloppy mess when you're slicing it. So I just took these out. I forgot to take them out a little bit, but they defrost in a couple minutes. So we're just waiting a few minutes and we're gonna go ahead and slice them up. All right, guys, so we went ahead and let it defrost a little bit. Still a little frozen. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yes, you want it a little frozen still. Pick your knife.
You can have one of those, and okay. I'll use this one.
I use this one.
This one. Would that work?
All right, cool. Yeah, any knife is gonna work.
All right.
So I don't even unroll them. I just go ahead and cut through the saran wrap.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay. Really thin?
Yeah. So I just go ahead and take that off.
Okay.
And then the saran wrap just like pops right off. So all your pieces should be about this thin. Yep, perfect. And then just lay it on the plate.
Are we doing 2?
Yeah, because one of these is probably gonna fill up the whole plate. And then I kind of like just slide. This is looking really weird. I kind of just slide the saran wrap right off, and I hold on to the saran wrap as I cut it because your fingers get really cold. It's a little frozen in the middle, but that's all right.
I'm learning, guys. This is a new one for me.
New recipe.
I can help you with the tuna.
Oh yes. Yeah, you can shed some education on me with tuna.
Love me some tuna.
Because you're tuna girl over there in Tuna Town.
Tuna girl.
I caught my first yellowfin tuna probably like 2 weeks ago. So that was pretty
So exciting.
I keep looking at the camera and messing up my cuts. This is a chunky piece.
All right, so you kind of want to keep it thin, I guess.
Yeah, thin enough to where it doesn't fall apart, but thin enough where it's not a big old chunk of fish. Let me get the capers.
Yeah.
Capers. There we go. My hand is freezing.
Yeah.
Kimber is patiently waiting
because she wants a bite.
Treat. Should we give her a
Kimber,
treat? Aww.
what are you doing?
All right, I can't. Oh, here, I'll give her this little.
My messed up piece. There you go.
No, Kimber, ready? Good girl. Judge, you didn't see that. Oh no. Oh, I'm doing this. All right, here. Oh. She tries. Multi-flex.
Yeah.
So is it flexible?
Well, it's you can interchange the
oh, it's like
blades.
a multi-flex series
Blades.
of blades.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Personal preference for the knives to cut thin pieces of raw fish is you need a really thin blade.
Yeah.
Because one time I cut fish with a really, really thick blade. It was actually yellowfin tuna. I seared yellowfin tuna not too long ago when I caught it. and I used like a really thick chopping knife to cut it, and I couldn't make like nice thin pieces. So my seared tuna was like big chunky pieces. So yes, thin knife I think works a lot better.
This is gonna be a fine dish that I'm definitely gonna use at my bed and breakfast as an appetizer for clients. Anytime I get, you can do this with any type of whitefish. We're using the AP that she speared. So I'm thinking I might be able to use it with like, I don't know if swordfish will be a good one, but like triple tail. Huh?
You eat swordfish raw? I guess you make ceviche with it.
I make ceviche swordfish, but
we do put lemon on it,
so it should be. You actually
try
try swordfish. Maybe swordfish, red snapper.
I'm trying to think of fish over in Venice.
Triple tail.
Yes.
Triple tail's really like a white, yummy fish too.
You eat triple tail raw?
I don't know. I don't know. I guess we can just try different ones.
You could let me know how triple tail tastes raw.
I'm gonna try different things out in Venice because we don't necessarily catch APs.
I was gonna say
we don't get them in Venice, but
you get tuna.
We get tuna and we get some wahoo.
Yeah, so, wahoo would be like
fire.
Really good.
Do I need to make mine look prettier?
You're just looking a little busted over there. Look at it.
Look at hers and look at mine. Would you just look at it?
I cut mine a little chunkier.
Yeah.
All right, so we have our olive oil here. Just gonna pour some in a little container. You can also like drizzle it over the fish, but sometimes it doesn't pour out so evenly. So I like to just use a little brush and just paint it on.
I like it.
Yeah. So I just paint on a little olive oil just like that. A little dab dab. Dab dab.
Dab dab.
Dab dab. Playing
cheers.
Swords. Playing swords. Cheers. There we go. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay.
That is done.
Looks good.
Next up is our lemon.
Do like half and then do this one, cut in half?
No, we don't need that much.
Oh, we don't?
Yeah, so if you want to just cut me a piece off that.
In half or what?
Yeah, just cut me a little sliver of lemon so I can squeeze some on there.
Okay. Like this?
Sure. Whichever way you like.
I don't know how you want to cut it to squeeze it.
You can cut it however you like.
Whatever you like. I don't know, maybe like this.
You got this.
Girl.
Beautiful.
Like that?
Beautiful.
Okay, that was way too complicated.
All right, so you're just gonna drizzle. You don't want too much. You're just gonna drizzle a little bit of lemon over the fish. So just like drop, 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 drop. That you are so good at lemon juice, girl.
Yummy! I think it'll be good.
Lemon juice is actually a natural hand sanitizer, by the way.
Oh, I didn't know that either.
Yeah.
I'm really learning some stuff tonight.
All right, so we have our olive oil, we have our lemon juice. The base is prepared, so now we just add the toppings, which is capers and red onion. Just kind of draining out the capers. Okay. I'm done. Alright.
And then, whoa.
What did I do?
Guys, what is going on with this onion? What did you do?
Judah actually showed me this really unique and like super easy trick. When you make chopped onions, so you cut off the top of the onion and then you slice going this way and then you slice going this way. So then when you have, if you want chopped onions, all you do is just shed the onions and they're already nicely chopped and all even.
Cool.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, how come I never thought about this? But yeah, it's
awesome.
Super easy technique.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna chop it from the side,
so you just
right?
just slice off those onion layers.
Those onion layers.
Yeah.
Some of these are probably gonna be too big, huh? Are they okay?
That's alright. If you want, you can even cut it a little thinner too. Yeah.
Oops, some of those are.
Perfect. Oh, no. Kimber,
I don't know about all that.
I don't know about onions.
Some of these we'll just like chop up a little bit more, maybe.
Yeah, that's perfect.
You think that's good? Okay.
Yeah.
So.
Do one more.
One more.
Yeah.
Slice through.
One more slicer through. Beautiful.
Okay.
All right, and then we have our capers here. So basically, super easy. All you do, take some capers, and you put them on each circle of fish.
And you take some onions, and you put them on each circle of fish.
Exactly. Super
Or just kind of
easy.
sprinkle, or I'm gonna just sprinkle.
Yeah, you can sprinkle it. You can be a perfectionist and put it on each circle.
I'm not gonna be a perfectionist because I don't think that's my nature, but I
Sprinkle
will
that.
Sprinkle.
Do the.
Onions.
Oh, I'm so hungry.
Oh, I'm excited. You guys, if you could only if you could smell this, it smells so good.
Onion is just honestly like I can put onion in any dish and it's amazing. I love using onion, and it makes my breath smell really good. Imagine if they made an onion mouthwash for like a prank. I'm gonna invent it.
Should do it.
You know how they have like prank gifts?
Yeah.
An onion mouthwash. Yeah,
So cool. I mean, this is like what it looks like, guys.
so good.
Mm.
Healthy too.
And then what we have, like, I kind of want to use the chips that I bought the other day.
Yeah, they're in the cabinet. Okay, so I just got a little bit of the sea salt organic Mediterranean baked crackers. I've never had these before, so we're gonna try them out. Any type of white cracker. You can even do thinly sliced bread, or you can just eat it like this if you don't want to eat the gluten or the bread or the cracker. But yeah, any type of cracker if you want to, just put it on a little something something.
I got these, the pita thin sea salt.
Those are really good.
So I'm gonna try this.
I'll try this one.
So
Look how long this is.
this is what it looks like.
Whoa, these are hard.
Mmm. That's fire.
I'm so happy, I'm so excited.
Yeah. Wow, those are hard. I can hear you crunching.
They taste similar, but these are just harder.
You want to
Hold on,
try
we
it?
need a guest star to come try our
Come try it out.
Carpaccio.
Oh, I can.
Carpaccio.
Can you get a plate?
Yeah, only one though, because we need it for the thumbnail.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Yummy.
Oh, that's good. Mm. That's real good.
Yep.
Good sea salt?
There's sea salt on this.
Sea salt.
Sea salt.
Mm-hmm.
Sea salt. All right, so we snacked on a few, but this is the outcome of our AP Carpaccio. Basically, Carpaccio is just a raw fish or a raw meat topped with the lemon avocado, the olive oil,
Olive oil.
the lemon, olive oil,
Lemon.
the capers, and the onions. It's so good. Honestly, I just learned about this probably like a month ago, and it's like one of my top 5 favorite dishes to make and to eat.
I just learned about it last night, and it's one of my favorites already.
For real.
Cannot wait to use this at the bed and breakfast. Ah!
Oh yeah, it's gonna be
Clients
so
are
cool.
gonna love it. All right, guys, so we just finished up. This is our carpaccio, which is a thinly sliced white fish, I guess is what we're gonna call
I
it.
think you can also use like different types of red meat too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
Not 100%, but I think.
See, that's cool. This is definitely a new dish, and I'm really excited to use this at the bed and breakfast. So,
Super
all
excited.
right, let's make that poke bowl.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.